To configure the high precision voltmeter and account for any potential voltage drift in the unit, go ahead and connect a digital multimeter to the pins of the unit. That way you could get voltage from an external voltmeter. Once you connect to the unit via the Bluetooth app, go ahead and click on the device, click on the gear icon, and go to the third tab. The third tab will allow us to modify a variable number here, which will allow us to move voltage drift up or down. So right now we're measuring 11.8 volts, which is in line with the voltmeter. However, if we were off for any reason, we could press the plus and minus button and we could see that our readings are changing. This is a multiplier that allows the voltage divider inside the unit to accommodate for drift, and we can see this is how we now recalibrate the unit. Same thing can occur on the secondary probe. So if you have a power supply hooked up on the secondary probe and you start receiving data on that channel, in the third tab you'll see that we have probe 2 voltage drift and different settings for that as well.